Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead, or should I say my first vegetable garden. I have a second YouTube channel, which I'll talk about in a second. I'm going to be starting a series called Grow as I Grow, and basically you can grow along with me. I'll show you how I seed start all these specific varieties indoors, outdoors, how I plant them over the season, how I tend them, how I harvest them, and just take care of them really from February all the way through November. And I thought it'd be a great series for those of you that are just getting started that may just want to grow exactly what I'm growing, and then you'll sort of have a video history of what the plant should look like and how to take care of them. Now you can pick up the seeds for this series at my seed shop. I'll go over that in a second. But I'm going to launch this series today at 6 p.m. on my other YouTube channel. I'm not running any ads on this so that you guys can kind of just get this introduction and see what's going on. I'm going to run it on the other channel. The first video will be out at 6 p.m. today, and it's on my channel called My First Vegetable Garden. The series is going to be a little bit longer, a little more chatty. I'm not going to do a lot of editing, and I'm just going to show you really how I grow these myself, sort of a behind the camera look. Even though, for instance, on the Rusted Garden, I really go over details with the recipes and measuring and all that kind of stuff. Typically, I just measure with my hand. I throw things together. I do things quickly. So you're going to get to see that style. But I will, teach you everything you need to do to be successful. Now, when you go to my seed shop, if you put in the search term GG, just go to search GG, you'll find these 6 different packets. I have 2 10-packs set up with different plants in there. Combination of peppers and tomatoes, cucumbers, zucchini, radishes, lettuces, everything you need for your first basic simple garden. Also have some large packs of mixed radishes, mixed lettuce if you just want to do some mesclun. That's the lettuces that I'm selling there. And then I also have 2 sets of peppers and tomatoes. So you can get the 7 peppers that I'm growing: large red cherry, jalapeno, Marconi red, California Wonder, cayenne, sweet banana, Cubanelle. The tomatoes I'm going to be growing in the series is Marglo, Beefsteak, Jubilee, Mr. Stripey, Rutgers, Black Cherry, and a large red cherry. And you can, pick them up at my seed shop, pick them up at your local store, or grow something similar. But I think it will be a really enjoyable series. I've already got a lot started, so that I could use them in the video for 6 o'clock tonight. But we have the Rutgers, Mr. Stripey, Jubilee, Sweet Banana, Cubanelle, Marconi Red, more peppers, 2 kinds of lettuce, and everything is really getting started. But it should be a fun series. It's called Grow as I Grow, and if this is something you'd like to do, you can find me at My First Vegetable Garden, and I'll be launching the first series at 6 o'clock. Thanks for watching.